Are you ready for the vlog? I'm making a vlog.
Actually?
Yeah.
Okay, I think low-key we should get this as a group.
We're playing, by the way.
Group investment. We should do it.
Oh, hey Andres, have you seen what's up with Claire's?
Yeah, there's like a little bunch of kids. Are you guys having a good time? Yeah.
You excited to go IKEA?
I am only eating meatballs. I love meat in my mouth, especially balls. So I really can't wait.
Happy to be in your room. Contribute.
That is not Korean, is it not?
You look pregnant.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is what I'm giving you for Christmas, dear. Happy Christmas.
Yoda! I know it is ends. It's the end. No. Look at that. Yeah. It looks perfect. I didn't even need to be taller, I'm still walking. Let's check out you. Alright. Let's bust.
canonically all phasmophobia goes wear ties.
That's just not true.